Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your hardware and plan, then jump straight into action. First, verify your phone or gateway supports the type of 5G your carrier provides. Next, make sure your plan and SIM are 5G enabled and install the latest firmware or OS patch. Once done, reboot device and run a quick signal scan. Move toward a window or higher floor to lock initial cells. These steps shorten discovery time and get you connected fast, so you can move on to optimization. Now you refine the connection for consistent speed and latency. Change network mode to prefer 5G, check the APN values match your carrier, and disable legacy-only bands if present. Then, experiment with antenna placement, rotate or elevate the device, and test throughput in each spot to find the sweet spot. Use the phone or router diagnostics to identify the serving band and consider band locking if congestion is an issue. Make sure to monitor signal strength and latency so you can iterate quickly. Finish by validating performance and setting safeguards for stability. You run speed tests across times of day, log results, and enable quality of service rules to prioritize work or streaming devices. Once satisfied, lock firmware updates and schedule periodic checks. If you hit persistent issues, start with a network reset and reinsert or swap the SIM, then retry diagnostics. If that does not resolve it, escalate to carrier support with your logs and band information. This troubleshooting path fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.